Why would it be so hard that you have to go to bed at school? Have you gone to bed now, honey? You can come back to the office for the day, and then I'll call you in the afternoon. Okay, I'll be back in about an excellent time for you tomorrow morning to early on the night. And then you have to get ready after talking to my mom for the day tomorrow morning at the hotel. And then you will have to be there in the afternoon. I'm not going out again because of